church in the middle of the week. I doubt even God shows up here on a Sunday.
Now, don't complain. It's better than sitting at the hotel.
If you ask me, child, that preacher friend of yours won't even be here.
Brother James hardly qualifies as a friend. I only met him yesterday.
How kind of you to come, Miss McVeigh.
Your invitation was irresistible, Brother James.
Well, I was hoping this little visit might fill the time till your stagecoach arrives. And how are you today, Miss Cumberland?
Hot, thank you. Well, we seem to be alone. Lack of parishioners, Padre, or lack of interest?
This time of day, I'm afraid they're all out working in the fields.
Or asleep in the streets.
Well, now, isn't this inspiring? When you think of all the love that went into its creation, those years of toil by simple farmers.
The very thought gives me the vapors.
I was hoping that you'd, that is, both of you, might like to climb the stairs to see the bells. They're so beautiful.
Well, if it's all the same, I'll contemplate the view from down here.
Miss McVeigh?
I'd love to.
Call 2. No raise you 2. On 1. Fish.
Oh, this really is quite a climb.
187 steps, to be exact.
I hope it'll be easier coming down.
Oh, I'm sure it will be. Decidedly.
Oh, my goodness. It's so high.
It was so nice of you to come before you leave. But my loss is your father's gain. I'm sure he'll be happy to see you.
Oh, I don't know. It's been 20 years. I don't even remember what he looks like.
Lady, look out!
What's going on? Run, quick! Stop pulling at me, child! Hurry, Miss McVeigh, please! Hurry, please! Be killed! Killed!
Run this over to Empire Hotel. Give it to a Mr. Charles Cobb. Better hurry now. They're looking for an answer right away.
Yes, sir.
That's for me, son. Can you read?
Yes, sir.
Read that.
Mr. Charles A. Cobb, Operational Vice President, Western Territory, Hearthside Security, Inc.
Good. Anything else, son?
Last fella I ran a message to, he gave me a nickel.
Well, I wouldn't want to spoil you, son. I mean, that's bad for your character. Morning.
Morning.
I'd like to send a wire to Chicago.
Yes, sir.
To J.J. Gideon, Hearthside Security, Chicago, Illinois. From Charles A. Cobb.
Charles.
Received your wire, Annette McVeigh heiress.
What was that again? Annette?
Annette. A-N-E-N-T, Annette.
Annette.
McVeigh heiress. I'm leaving immediately for San Ramos to assume charge of case. By U.S. mail, I'm forwarding receipts and vouchers for hotel lodgings past 7 days, livery rental, and other sundries. As I am running low...
Hold it right there, young feller. Just back up to and other sundries.
Going too fast for you, friend? As I am running low on operating funds, forward same to my attention. San Ramos, general delivery, immediately. Hope next assignment involves something more interesting. The nursemaid services. How much?
Nursemaid services. Come to $3.10.
And I'd like a receipt.
Funny, I never heard of no Hearthside Security. Heard of Pinkertons, though. You ain't like one of them Pinkertons, are you?
If I am, sir, I try not to let it show. Can you get that out right away?
Yes, sir.